Hello, magandang araw, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Itong kantang kong ito ay ihahandog ko sa lahat ng mga senior citizen sa buong Pilipinas. Ito na po, and Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year sa inyo, mga senior citizen. Ito na po. In the twilight glow I see her, blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kiss goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember, only memories remain, and through the ages I'll remember blue eyes crying in the rain. Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand in a land that knows no parting. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Alright, maraming salamat po.